Hi guys, so we're back today, and as you can see, we're not in the kitchen because we're not really cooking. We're doing a little bit explanation here. So recently today I was told that by a doctor that I have to get off dairy. Sad. And I already was off eggs because I can't eat eggs either, because she said. And my Grammy's vegan, so she suggested this really good cheese, mozzarella cheese, for some pizza. So we got all this stuff to make pizza in here, and we got some yogurt that's dairy free too, right here. I've never tried it before, so comment down below if you've ever tried it, so that you can tell me how this tastes, because today, this Friday, or sooner or later, I'll report back to you guys on how this stuff goes, and I will show you how I make this pizza I want to make. So, bye guys, I'll see you next time.